Morning, everyone. Beautiful September morning out here in the pepper garden. Things been going pretty good this year. I mostly grew sweet peppers. A lot of interesting varieties going on. Let me see if I can catch a couple of them. Of course, we got all these really nice cherry peppers. Got a couple kinds of those. These ones have been really late in maturing. These little squiggly sweet peppers. Lots of sweet peppers this year. But I've been holding off. Got some eggplant going. This beautiful eggplant. I've been holding off on trying a little something. You know, these the super hots take a little bit longer to mature. And I've been growing this plant. And take a look at these pods. This is the black Panther. It's a really nice one. Let's see if I can get that down in there for you. Look at that. That is just a beautiful, beautiful pod. Oh, is that nice? See some damage on the leaves there. I've had a problem with sawflies this year. But yeah, look at that. That's just gorgeous. So here it's time to give one of these bad boys a try. And so here we are. You see that nice orange color there, and then the black and purple. These ones are interesting because the part facing the sun stays black, and then the bottom is what gets orange. And well, you should be rocking about 1.2 million Scovilles, so you know, fucking hot. And let's see what happens. Nice sweetness to that. A little bit of a slow build on that heat. Okay, well, that's fucking hot. That is not a million Scovilles. Let's see, it's building, so we'll give it some time. But you know, it's funny. I've been building up my heat tolerance now for a good month. Basically eating hotter and hotter peppers, using my chili powder a lot. Been finding like the chili powder on some cheese. Oh, fuck, that's really getting hot, by the way. Chili powder on some cheese. Cheese is it's pretty tasty, and so I've been just increasing every week for like a month now the amount of chili powder I put on there to really crank that heat up and kind of prepare myself to eat this pepper. And maybe I over prepared. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's a motherfucking hot pepper, and I am definitely have that mouth burning. So let's talk about it. So it went in. Sweetness, not super sugary, thin-walled. Kind of your scorpion type pepper as far as the texture. No smokiness. That was really all sweet. Mostly it's wrapping my tongue. Still getting hotter. Okay. That will be the lesson learned on this. Like this Black Panther, this is a very slow building heat. Like it is, what are we, 3 minutes after I ate it? Kubo. Kubo the pepper dog taking a big poop over there. Get. No. Well, that was fun. You know better, buddy. You got your own place to go. Get. You go get in your yard. Well, there we go. Okay, it's leveling out. That wasn't so bad. Yeah, I don't know if that was a million Scovilles. That was certainly in the range of at least 500,000. My tongue's pretty fucking hot. pretty burning, but not dying. So there we go. Ye old black Panther pepper. Tasty. Definitely something you would probably use just to generate heat. The slow build on the heat will definitely trick some people into some munching 3, 4, 5 mouthfuls of your salsa or whatever, and then bam, I hate get you. So have a great day, everyone. This is John.